Is your spacious living and dining area that's sink. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets, where you can place your king size bed, your side tables. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Alaknanda by Guru Kripa Realcon located in Juhu, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual tower where you can see the construction is in full swing and it is almost ready. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, as you can see, we are standing inside the actual tower and this over here is the actual lobby of the project. You can see you have a double-heighted lobby, you have waiting area and reception also. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project will have one tower of ground plus 16 story having 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Let's now also speak of amenities. This project has 15 plus amenities with infinity swimming pool, gym, garden, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Bilmohar Cross Road number 10 Juhu, from where upcoming metro is at a distance of 2 minutes, Andheri railway station is at a distance of 7 minutes drive, Juhu beach is at a distance of 7 minutes drive, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 10 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospitals all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering the 3 BHK of the residential project Alaknanda. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1458 square feet. As we enter, you can see you have a foyer area. And to the left of the entrance, you have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings, which can easily be utilized by your guests, family and friends. Moving forward, this over here is your spacious living and dining area that speaks luxury from every corner. You can see how spacious your living is. You can easily place your sofas, center tables and easily accommodate a gathering of 15 to 20 people at the very same time. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can customize your luxurious TV units as well. Also, attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. You can see your balcony is very spacious, so you can easily place your tea tables, tea chairs or your swings and enjoy your time with your friends and family. Moving forward, on this side we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meals with your friends and family. And over here we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. Along with the sink, you can customize your lower and upper cabinets. Again, you can see your kitchen is very spacious that even after opening a cabinet, you can walk easily. Also, you have space provided to place your refrigerator where you can easily fit a double door fridge. And attached to your kitchen, you will be getting a very spacious dryer area where you can place your washing machine. And now I would also like to add that you will be getting false ceilings in the whole apartment. Also, you will get ACs provided in the living room and the master bedroom. Now let's move forward. Over here we have your alley area that has entrance to all your bedrooms. On this side we have your first bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed, your side tables. You can also make a seating corner if you wish to, and you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. And now let's move to the wardrobe corner that you can see is very spacious. You have great depth and enough storage. You can also build lofts if you want. And again, in this bedroom you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony again, where you can make a beautiful seating corner and enjoy your time. Also, in this corner, you have your private washroom of this bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now let's move forward to the second bedroom. Right beside the first bedroom, over here we have the entrance to the second bedroom that you can see is even more spacious. You can see you have plenty of walkable space. You can design your seating corner, you can customize a bedroom totally as per your choice. And again, moving to the wardrobe corner, you can see the wardrobes have great depth, and you can also build lofts if you want. Also, you have a very beautiful corner over here in front of the washroom that you can design as your makeup corner. And over here we have the entrance to your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And again, in this bedroom as well, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony, which is also a great part about the project, that you will be getting balconies in all your bedrooms. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the most spacious bedroom of this 3 BHK. Over here is your most spacious bedroom. As we enter, you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy and no interruption in the bedroom. Also, this bedroom comes with a walk-in wardrobe look, as over here you can design your wardrobe, your makeup corner that will give you enough space and privacy. And over here we have the entrance to your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK, where you can place your king size bed, your side tables, you can customize a beautiful seating corner. Also, you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. And except for the walk-in wardrobe look, you have extra wardrobe space that is even more spacious, and you can build lofts if you want. And again, moving to the best part, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony in this bedroom as well. Also, this balcony is a running balcony that is attached to your second bedroom. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Alaknanda. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Alaknanda by Guru Kripa Realcon located in Juhu.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.